how to disconnect or forget the Wi-Fi on your Skyworth TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the settings button. And now you can see here the Wi-Fi. Okay, go to Wi-Fi. And now you can see the connected Wi-Fi network to your Skyworth TV. And okay guys, to forget or to remove this connection, you'll have to do is go to network and scroll down, and now you can see the forget button below. So if you want to forget or disconnect, okay, you'll have to do is go to forget network, and now you can see the option here on the right side. So you can select the OK button to forget or disconnect the Wi-Fi network on your Skyworth TV. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully disconnect or forget the Wi-Fi network on your Skyworth TV.